Hello, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we are going to look at a bomb game. You might have heard this from other ESL teachers. Let's see what a bomb game is. Basically, a bomb game is a PowerPoint game. And let's have a look now at kind of how it works. So a bomb game will generally have a home slide. Now on this home slide, what you'll see is a selection of either letters or numbers or a combination of both. What the students have to do is they have to select one of these letters or numbers. When they select one of these letters or numbers, they get transported to a different slide. We call this a question slide. And on the question slide, there will be a question and a picture, probably a flashcard of the target language that they've learned that class or a previous class, which they have to answer. When they answer that, if they answer incorrectly, they go back to that home screen slide, but if they answer correctly, they will go to a bonus slide. And on that bonus slide, something good can happen to them, like they gain points, or something bad can happen to them, like they lose points. Once they finish that, you go back to the home slide. Now, these bomb games are very fun and they're a great way to practice target language from either the class, so you can have a bomb game at the end of your class, or if you want, what you can do is, and what I do is use these bomb games for review. So I'll do them maybe every couple of units as a break from the typical classroom structure. Let's have a look at this particular bomb game, which is a Mario bomb game. So bomb games are made by teachers like myself, and they are generally themed, and they're themed with young students in mind. So the stuff that's really popular in video games, TV and comics and books. For example, this Mario one. And generally they'll start with a title card that gains the student's attention. And then they'll move into an explanation slide of what will appear on the bonuses if the students answer questions correctly. So these have coins for different points. And you can also gain shells, and they do different things, like you can destroy a couple of points from a different team, you can steal a couple of points from a different team, or you could change points. Or a super special slide where you get lots and lots of points. So these are sort of good things that they can get on the bonus slide. But equally, they can also lose points. And sometimes they will have a bomb slide where students' team or they will lose all their points, or all the teams will lose all their points, and hence why we call these a bomb game from this particular bomb slide. So let's take a look at how these bomb games work and how you can get them yourself. So when you get your hands on a bomb game, what you need to do is go through the slides after the home slide, and you just basically need to change the question and the picture to a flashcard that you desire of the target language that you're aiming to teach and practice. And basically you just go through all of these until they're all changed to your target language. And it's that simple. Now, this is a Super Mario bomb game, but there are a variety of different themed bomb games out there. The majority of them are on the Weigook forum. I would highly suggest that you pay their nominal fee and download some of these great bomb games from their website. and make sure to credit all these fantastic teachers out there that have come up with these great and wonderful, fun and dynamic learning tools for their students. Let's take a look at a couple of different Baam games so you can get an idea of all the different themes of Baam games that are out there. Remember, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Also remember to check out teamteacherchina.com for some of the Baam games that we've been able to collect from all these wonderful teachers and put up onto the website.